Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove an account from the Google Authenticator app. Now first of all, I want to apologize for taking a video like this, and the reason is Google Authenticator actually blocks out screen recordings. All you see is a blank screen, so we're going to make the best out of this situation. The first thing, of course, I know if you go ahead and swipe to the left, you see this remove icon, right? Now the problem with that, when you can click on remove account, you will still be stuck on the other end from the app. So Instagram will still be using an authenticator app to basically verify you when you're logging in. Okay, so you can remove this from here, but you're not going to get codes again. So what I need you to do, I'll come here and open my Instagram app on this phone. Okay, we need to first remove it from the app itself. So come to the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then click on these three horizontal lines. Now you can do the same thing on any app. You just need to access the settings basically. Now from here, I'll click on Account Center. Okay, and then click on Password and Security. So any app, TikTok, Twitter, just go to Password and Security. Okay. Now this is for Instagram. Come here, click on a two-factor authentication, and we'll choose our Instagram account. Now, as you can see right here, I can click on Authentication app, and it will basically show that I'm already connected, right? So this is my connected device. So what we need to do right here is come and click on those three dots. So we get two options, rename and remove. So I'll click on remove right here. And now once we remove this device, it will turn off two-factor authentication. Okay, so we first need to remove two-factor authentication right here. Just need to click on remove. There we go. And now let's wait for it to initialize. And there we go. The authentication app security method is off. Okay, now we can go to Google Authenticator, right? And then we can click on remove. There we go. And it's really that easy and simple.